Tobacco farming can be a unique and profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained with proper training. Tobacco cultivation is a specialized agricultural process, which is known as an economically important crop in various countries around the world. However, it is the cause of multiple controversies in environmental, health, and social contexts. Tobacco leaves are mainly used to produce cigarettes, cigars, and other tobacco products. Dear viewers, today we will know how to grow tobacco and make a profit in a short time. We will also talk about the different stages and techniques of tobacco cultivation. Sandy loam or loam soil is most suitable for tobacco cultivation. This soil has good water retention capacity and is easily drained. The soil should be moderately fertile. There should be sufficient organic matter in the soil, which helps in the rapid growth of seedlings. An average temperature of 20 to 30 degrees Celsius is ideal for cultivation. The soil should be loosened and weed-free for tobacco cultivation. Then, soil fertility is increased by applying organic and chemical fertilizers. Before sowing seeds in the seedbed, the soil is disinfected, which protects the plant from fungal diseases. The seeds are sown in the soil without being too thick, ensuring a suitable place for the seedlings to grow. Light sand or soil is spread over the seeds. The seeds germinate within 7 to 10 days. Pesticides are applied to keep the seedlings free from diseases. Special measures are taken to protect the seedlings from natural disasters such as excessive rain or storms. The seedlings are ready for planting in the ground within 30 to 45 days. At this stage, the height of the seedlings is 12 to 15 centimeters and the number of leaves is 4 to 5. Tobacco seedlings are usually planted in the winter season, the rabi season. Before planting the seedlings, the required amount of organic fertilizers and chemical fertilizers such as urea, potash, and phosphate are applied to the land. Small holes are made in the ground for planting the seedlings. The roots of the seedlings are placed in the hole and lightly pressed with soil. The soil should be well compacted during planting so that it stands. The distance from one plant to another is 50 to 60 centimeters and the distance between rows is 60 to 70 centimeters. Immediately after planting the seedlings, the land should be lightly irrigated. Regular irrigation should be ensured to keep the soil moist for the first 7 to 10 days after planting. To increase the growth of the plant and soil fertility, cow dung, compost, or vermicompost is applied. 8 to 10 tons of organic fertilizer can be applied per hectare. Urea is applied 2 weeks after planting the seedlings. The fertilizer powder is sprinkled directly at the base of the plant. After application, the fertilizer is mixed with the soil using light irrigation. To collect tobacco leaves, first understand the signs of maturity. The color of the leaves changes from dark green to light green or yellowish. The leaves become hard and break easily. The edges of the leaves curl slightly. The leaves are easily separated when torn from the plant. The leaves should be carefully plucked by hand. Care should be taken not to damage the base of the leaves. Usually, the best time to harvest the leaves is between 90 to 120 days after planting.